To export a Best Places city comparison, start by visiting the Best Places website and selecting the cities you want to compare. You can do this by typing the names of the cities in the search bar and clicking on the Compare button. Once you have selected the cities, you will be taken to a page that displays a side-by-side comparison of the cities. This comparison includes various categories such as cost of living, education, and crime rates. To export the comparison, look for the Export button, usually located at the top or bottom of the page. Clicking on this button will give you several options to export the data, including CSV, PDF, and Excel. Choose the format that best suits your needs and click on it. The data will then be downloaded to your computer, where you can view it, print it, or use it for further analysis. It is also important to note that you can customize the comparison by selecting the specific categories you want to include in the export. This can be done by clicking on the Customize button and checking or unchecking the categories you are interested in. By following these steps, you can easily export a Best Places city comparison and use the data to make informed decisions about which city is the best fit for you. Remember to always verify the data and use it in conjunction with other research to get a complete picture of the cities you are comparing. Exporting a Best Places city comparison is a valuable tool for anyone looking to relocate or compare different cities. By providing a clear and concise comparison of various categories, it can help you make an informed decision and choose the city that best fits your needs and lifestyle.